Now, technically, it's not a steering wheel. It's a hamster wheel. There's some S's in that one. Anyway. About another week and it'll be right top of the morning to you. Anyway, morning. It's a little dark out here, ain't it? Where's that wooden toolbox at, Mr. Scrappy? I thought I had said that. Stuck it in the back seat, man. Apparently some people just don't listen. I'm one of them. Anyway, let me get this thing out of here and we'll talk about technicalities. Sorry, I gotta use two hands. This thing's kind of heavy. Oh, shit. Hot damn, look at that. Hey, look, it's got a little mirror, too. So you can check out how sexy your machinist type face is, I guess. I don't know. So that sits in there. And then that sits down in there. And then we got all these dudes. Hey, look, what's that? Thread locker. Sorry, you'll never be able to unsee that. I don't see no wooden machinist boxes. That guy's gonna borrow it from us for an undetermined period of time. I didn't know they came with the Explorers. I thought they just came with like the, which I don't know. Old Dora was the Eddie Bauer edition. Why didn't she come with a fold-em-up chair? Anyway, I thought they came with the Expeditions. Oh. Uno. It's quality made, man. And it's not even the best part. The best part is there's two of them. That's awesome. Cool. Well, I could put that on eBay, Mr. Scrappy. I bet you could. Look, here's our Russian nesting boxes. See, I opened the box and I was like, what's in the box? And I seen that and I was like, oh shit, it's another box. What's in that box? How do you get the box out of the box? Primitive Welcome Friends, featuring the artwork of Susan A. Wingett. Wingett? From Bob's Boxes. Damn, Bob. We have us a true Russian nesting box here. Oh, finally. How many licks does it take, man? I tell you what, it takes about 1, 2, 3. I don't know, there was a whole bunch of licks there. Damn, it's chilly out here this morning. I don't like it. I got spoiled real quick. Do you say spoiled or spoilt? Do you use a wash rag or do you have a bunch of wash rags? Remember me telling you some asshole said that I couldn't count to 12 goldfishes? I was going to do this bit where I took a pack of the kids' goldfish crackers and I was going to spill them out there and start counting them out and tell you guys, like, look, I'm practicing my numbers. Kind of tease on that cocksmoker a little bit, you know. But I haven't done that yet because I'm just lazy. These are actually fairly like warm too, you know. I just want to get the bed frame out. I want to snap some pictures of it. I was just going to show you that. Yeah, I did see the little Ford thing as I was scooping them, and I was like, that's kind of neat, but I didn't really think anything of it other than like, grab and go. Because that's what we do. Anyway, offload. Now you see here, what we have here is a little lightweight IKEA type of twin size bed frame. Ain't worth but what, $3.50 at the scrapyard. But what we can do is we can take it and post it. We can let somebody borrow it. Sorry, it's cold out here. We can let somebody borrow it for an undetermined amount of time and say get, you know, $20, $25 for it that way, and somebody gets a nice little bed frame. So what are you doing? Get away from there. It's disrespectful. You don't walk on a man's grave. We've had a lot of rain. Mystery Husky tool pouch examination. Battery charger. Scrap. Muffler hold 'em up wire. Scrap. We don't need no muffler hold 'em up wire no more. Hey look, there's some batteries. The toughest name in tools. Oh, it's got personal information on it. Later, Kev. I think it said Kevin. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? He didn't want it no more. It's a heavy-duty sprinkler. And that's going to be about it. But what I was thinking was, since we done let somebody borrow that wooden one, we could put this one with this one and see if we can't find a man that might need a couple of tool boxes or belts or little quarter bushel basket there. I don't know what it is. We didn't peek in this one yet, have we? Careful, might not be able to be unseen. Oh. I always forget they only open when the lid's... Hey, what we got? Craftsman. We'll keep it. Little extension. Never hurts to have an extension. Give her a little more when she needs it, you know. Hey. Let's go scrapping. What's that? Fiberglass. Something. What's that? Trust me, it's nothing. It's probably not even worth watching. Look, we found 3 cents. 3 cents a fence. Alright, look, I'm no Tarantino, but I do believe I can direct you with a piece of good advice. If you can throw a 20-ounce bottle at a girl's feet and she can pick it up and twist the cap off without using her hands, well, by golly, she's a keeper. What's that? Yeah, it's metally enough, ain't it? How does that glass attach? I'll never know. Weird. Something. What's that? Looks like the remnants of a filing cabinet. Plenty of room in there for it this evening. And we're back. Did I say and we're back? Because we're back. Hey, look. That wasn't a very good one, but oh, look, it's in the way. I'm used to that gate dragging. Larry. Giving me problems. There we go. Go-go magic light. Amongst the Ford fold-em-up chairs, there was a whole, well, one fold-em-up chair and then a gaggle of these. I guess they're like bleacher seats. I don't really know. Not much to look at, is there? Anyway, I had fun. Do you have fun?
A little slow tonight, isn't it?
Awful cold out here this evening. I got a good idea. Let's take all the insulation out of the attic.